Namaste students, how are you? I hope you are fine, awesome. I welcome you to our second session of Block 1 Sources of Food. Let us have look on our aim. Our aim is to see number 1, which are the food products that we obtain from animals. Number 2, how animals are classified on the basis of their food habits. Number 3, what is food chain and food web? Beside plants, animals are also sources of food. From animals, we get mainly four food items. They are honey, meat, egg, milk. Meat includes fish and chicken. Milk is used to obtain a number of dairy products like yogurt, ghee, cheese, butter, buttermilk, cream, ice cream, and so on. Milk is known as complete food as it has all the essential nutrients required by humans like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Honey is a rich source of carbohydrate and sugar like glucose, sucrose, water, and minerals. Let us have a look on how honey is obtained. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers. Nectar is the sweet juice present in flowers. Nectar is collected by long straw-like tongue of honeybees. Nectar is converted into honey to be stored in the honey hives. This work is done by large number of honeybees. From the hive, honey is removed and poured in the bottles to be sold in the market. Now, let us have a look on how animals are classified on the basis of their food habits. Animals are classified into five major groups on the basis of their food habits. Number 1, herbivores. Number 2, carnivores. Number 3, omnivores. Number 4, scavengers. Number 5, decomposers. Let us have a look on each of them in detail. Number 1, herbivores. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plant and plant material. Herbivores may eat leaves, fruits, roots, or even tree bark. They usually need to eat often during the day in order to have enough energy. Example of herbivores are goat, rabbit, elephant, zebra, etc. Second group is of carnivores. Carni means meat eater. They eat only meat. These animals are usually fairly large and they have to eat other animals in order to obtain enough energy. Example of carnivores are wolf, tiger, lion, snake, shark, etc. Third group is of omnivores. Omnivores are the animals that eat both plant material and meat. They can get their food more easily than other animals because they can eat more types of food than herbivores or carnivores. Example of omnivores are humans, bear, crow, etc. Next group is of scavengers. Scavengers are the animals that feed on dead animals. Examples are flies, wasps, cockroaches, earthworm. Earthworm eat only plants. Next are decomposers. Decomposers are the organisms that eat and break down the plant or animal matter. Thus, they bring nutrients back to the soil from where other plants and living organisms can obtain these nutrients and grow well. Hence, decomposers are vital components of nutrient cycle. Hence, we can say that each organism is linked with other organisms on the basis of its food. This creates a chain which is known as food chain. Hence, a food chain is a diagram that shows us how animals are linked by what they eat. Example, grass is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by frog. Frog is further eaten by snake and snake by kite. Hence, these organisms are linked to each other by food and they form a food chain. When many such food chains combine, a food web is obtained. Hence, a food web is a network of food chains which are interconnected at various trophic levels. Example of food chain is as shown. A flower or a plant is eaten by a mouse. Mouse is further eaten by a kite. A plant is eaten by rabbit. A rabbit is further eaten by snake. A flower or plant is eaten by mouse. Mouse is further eaten by snake. Hence, when all the food chains are linked to each other, a food web is formed. Let us have a look on a food web in forest. A plant is eaten by a goat. A goat is further eaten by lion. A plant is eaten by goat. A goat can also be eaten by jackal and jackal can further be eaten by lion. A plant can be eaten by rabbit. Rabbit can be eaten by wildcat and wildcat can be eaten by lion. Hence, a large number of food chain in the form of food web is present in the forest.